Welcome to the Road Universe channel, your go-to spot for the best-selling car accessories on Amazon. To all our new subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't joined us yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. Most car thefts happen when the car is off. Today, we're looking at dash cams with parking mode, battery kill switches, hidden GPS trackers, and hood locks. Simple tools that protect your car even when it's parked. Number 10. Car flush hood latch and pin kit. Number 9. 4. GPS tracker for vehicles. Hidden location device with no monthly fee tracking system. Number 8. Wired GPS tracker for vehicles. Easy installation on car's battery. Low-cost subscription plan options. Number 7. GPS tracker for vehicles. Real-time 4. GLTE assets and car tracking device with app. Number 6. Kill switch. 12 volts, 240 amps.
Will never have to worry about car theft again. This is a mode switch that is installed here. And just be pressing this button, you can turn engine unit off. No matter where you park, your vehicle will be safe. It also helps prolong battery life, avoiding deep discharges when car goes a long time without being used. It comes with additional remote control Santa cost. One you can keep as a spare and the other give to your wife. If you want to protect your vehicle, you can get it from the Unix store.
Number 5. Blue Sea Systems 6006 M Series. On-off battery. Isolator switch with locking key. Red. Number 4. Car battery disconnect switch. 12 volts to 48 volts. Number 3. 4K dash cam front and rear. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS car camera. Super night vision. 24-hour parking mode. Time-lapse. Loop recording.
There is a new parking surveillance video. Please open the gallery to view it.
Number 2. 4. K3. Channel Dash. Cam HDRIR. Night vision, voice control, parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi. Number 1. 4. K-Dash. Cam front and rear built-in, GPS, G-sensor, 24-hour parking mode. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.